In this video, we'll look at rates of reaction and collision theory, part of your IGCSE Chemistry course. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, explain reactions using collision theory. Second, list the factors that affect the rate. And third, explain why each factor changes the rate. Why do some reactions happen in a flash and others take years? Collision theory explains it. For particles to react, they first have to collide with each other. But a collision isn't enough on its own. The particles must also collide with enough energy, at least the activation energy, to actually react. So anything that makes collisions happen more often or with more energy will speed the reaction up. That single idea explains every rate factor we're about to meet. There are four main ways to speed up a reaction: raising the temperature, increasing the concentration of a solution, or, for gases, increasing the pressure, increasing the surface area by breaking a solid into smaller pieces or a powder, and adding a catalyst. Let's see why each of these works. Each factor comes back to collisions. Raise the temperature and the particles move faster, so they collide more often, and crucially, more of those collisions have enough energy to react. Increase concentration or pressure, and you pack the particles closer together, so they collide more frequently. Break a solid into smaller pieces, and you expose far more of its particles, again giving more collisions. So every factor works the same way, by increasing how often particles collide, or how much energy they collide with. Let's check what you've learned. Question 1. What two things must happen for particles to react? Question 2. Name three factors that increase the rate of reaction. Question 3. Why does increasing temperature speed up a reaction? Pause the video and have a go. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. 1. They must collide with at least the activation energy. 2. Temperature, concentration, pressure, surface area, also a catalyst. 3. Particles move faster, so they collide more often and with more energy. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.